May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. This time we're looking at US oil, crude oil, WTI, crude. Now, what we could see on the weekly time frame, is that this big industrial strength institutional candle was traded through right here. We have a close above this trading range. All right. Uh, this is a pretty big order block. If we look at the same price level over here, you can see it spent a lot of time down here. It's a lot of time at this level fighting to get past it. We finally finally reached a high, pulled back again, and then we finally broke through with this big candle. All right, we finally got through this area. It took a lot to get through this area, right? Well, price chopped about, got through it again. We're now revisiting this area. Will it hold as a support? I believe it will. This is an order block here, but what's been holding price back is this bearish fair value gap. All right, on this weekly time frame. So it's bandied about here for weeks now. All right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's we're in a month now, right? Let's go to the daily, and let's see. Boom, bam. All right, on the daily, this is supposed to be in the weekly. I don't know how it got there. All right, now on the daily, yeah, I got some notes here. Not important because I wrote these. I think Friday, and so pay don't pay too much mind. What happens is this swing low of this consolidation was finally broken Friday. We finally swept that low, rated it for its liquidity. Right, the price then moved up, and today's candle, Monday's candle, has already traded past the high of Friday. We've reached the high of it, and the high of Friday, and we've already taken out Thursday's high. Here is the previous weekly high, and I think that will be our DOL, our draw on liquidity. All right, as price makes its way up here, we need to see. I would like to see a break and a close above this high on Thursday. All right, because this is uh, a bearish fair value gap, and I would like to see price get past that with a break and a close. We get a close above that, there's not very much else to hold us back from this goal of reaching the draw on liquidity. Therefore, you can see why I am bullish, right? If we go to the 4 hour, we're going to see some details. Okay, and what do I have? Again, I drew this on Friday, so I drew this earlier. This is actually, I think, Thursday. Either way, uh, we can see how price broke down, pulled up, pulled up into a bearish fair value gap, and then found that resistance there, traded below the low. So, but it didn't give the follow through. We finally got a close below where we rated that low that I mentioned before. All right, this is uh, Wednesday's. Yeah, this is Wednesday's low from the 15th of May, right? But this is the swing low, and we finally rated it on Friday, and we pushed up. Look, price. You see these down close candles and the up close candles. This is an order block. All right, this is a larger. This is a smaller order block of a larger order block. As price took these down close candles, because this is part of the down move. This is part of the down move. You can see this series of candles overtook that high here with a close above it on a 4 hour basis. I need to see a daily close above that high. I would like to see a daily close above that high, which would confirm the bullish intent. Okay. You can see along the way, price has created a bullish fair value gap here, bullish fair value gap here, and a new one, a bullish fair value gap here, that once this candle closes will confirm the bullish fair value gap here, and that price can come back to it in order to go higher. Okay, and that's why I'm bullish. Okay, we just need to get close above this. What is this? This is actually a daily fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is a daily fair value gap. Let me just take a quick peek. Yes, yes, it is a daily bearish fair value gap. So once we get a close beyond that, I'm looking for prices to continue higher. Let me get that in its right place. Okay, I'm looking for prices to get, prices to go higher. So that's my analysis. Look for price to reach up this week. I'm hoping this week to 80.11, $80.11. Okay, and give a like to the video if you like it. Look at the two videos on your screen right now, both left and right, and those are ones I just put out for the weekly outlook for each one. And enjoy, and may profits be upon you.